Despite being labelled as the dismal science, I think economics is anything but dismal. What makes economics fascinating is that it does not give you definitive answers. The onus is on the researcher to use their intellect and their value judgment to come up with a well-reasoned and comprehensive rationalization for what we see around us.
The kind of economics which we learn here is not just bound to textbook. It engages with the real world and makes us aware of the world where we live in.
This last year of the COVID pandemic through which all of us have lived has really demonstrated how important it is to understand the economic realities. One of the things that I've been doing as a part of my own work here is looking at what were the employment effects and the income effects of the pandemic and how people managed to survive the pandemic. These kinds of real-world concerns we try to bring over into our MA curriculum as well.
We combine quantitative rigor along with qualitative insights and sensitivities around institutional structures, around the context in which people are living and experiencing daily life.
There are 2 points that I think make the MA Economics at Azim Premji University unique for students. The first is the close interactions that students have with faculty here. The discussions in class are relaxed and a lot of learning happens through discussion and debates in the classroom. The second point is the curriculum that connects students to ground realities and places their economics education in the context of the world around them.
So I chose this program in particular for 2 reasons. On one hand, it allows you to study your standard micro, macro and metrics courses that you would get in any graduate program in economics. It also allows you to explore alternative fields that we now know are equally important to being a good modern economist, such as ecology, sociology, and as well the economics of identity, which are key to understanding the social and environmental context.
In the first year, we offer 9 core courses that focus on development issues that are relevant to India today. These would include inequality, issues related to environmental degradation, the crisis in agriculture, obstacles in job creation, and the historical evolution of our legal and democratic institutions.
Why are people not able to access education? Why does India still remain a country of largely informal workers? These kinds of questions we try to address in the program using economic theory and using data.
Our students also get to choose between a master's and an internship track. In the master's track, a student would choose a research topic of their choice. The idea is to pick up skills to become an independent researcher. In the internship track, our students work within organizations engaged in grassroots development and engage with the real-world challenges in implementing projects on the ground.
Also, we have a very diverse set of peers from different parts of the country where we come to a place and have healthy conversations of different perspectives, ideologies and values.
Broadly speaking, we will get trained in all aspects of economics and which help us to find where our interest lies. While doing this program, I believe that I can learn economics with some social values rather than just aiming at a corporate career.